Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about Python interview questions. In this session we will cover essential dictionary concepts. Let us see the questions. Question number 1. What is a dictionary in Python? A Python dictionary is a data structure that stores the values in key value pairs. The keys must be unique and immutable. While the values can be of any type, dictionaries allow for fast lookups and dynamic resizing. Here is the syntax of a dictionary. Let us see the next question. How do you create a dictionary? Give an example. We can create dictionary in two ways, by using curly braces, and we can use by using dict constructor separated by commas. Here in the first example we are creating a dictionary using curly braces, and next in here we have used a dict constructor here. Let us see the next question. What are the key features of a dictionary? Here are the key features of a dictionary. Key value pairs. The dictionary stores the data in key value pair formats, and it can be mutable, like it can modify, add or remove elements. It makes faster lookups, access values using keys efficiently. It is unordered before Python 3.7, but now after Python 3.7 order is preserved. Unique keys. Keys must be unique and immutable in dictionary. For example, strings, numbers and tuples. Dynamic. Can grow or shrink as needed. Various data types. Keys must be immutable, but values can be of any data type. Let us see the next question. How do you access, add and modify dictionary elements? Here we are accessing a dictionary elements. We use square brackets, or we can use the get method to retrieve the values. First we have taken a dictionary here, student, and we have to access a key here. So we are mentioning the key name and the dictionary name in the print. We will get student of name, we will get ls as a key name. Because this is key, we are accessing the key, then we will get the output as a value. Adding a new key value pairs. To the existing dictionary we can add a new key value pairs. That is, in the student dictionary we are adding another key value pair, that is grade equal to A. After printing we will get whole data, that is name ls, age 22, course CS, and extra key value pair is added, that is grade is A. Modifying existing dictionary elements. We can also modify existing dictionary elements. Here we are going to modify age is equal to 23. In the previous data we have age equal to 22. Now we are trying to modify this age equal to 23. After executing this we will get this name ls, age 23, course CS and grade A. Let's go to next question. Can dictionary keys be mutable? Why or why not? No, dictionary keys cannot be mutable in Python. This is because dictionaries use hashing for fast lookups, and mutable keys would break the hashing mechanism. It means if a key were mutable, its hash value could change, making it unreliable for lookup operations. Let us see the next question. Why must dictionary keys be immutable? Since dictionaries use hash tables, immutable keys ensure consistency in key retrieval. Mutable keys could change their hash value, leading to lookup failures. That means if a key is mutable, its hash value could change, leading to inconsistencies in key retrieval. Let us see the next question. How do you loop through dictionary keys and values? We can loop through dictionary keys and values in several ways. First, we can loop through keys. Here we have a dictionary mydict, and we have to loop through the keys. So for key in mydict, print keys. Then we will get all the keys here. Here we have to loop through values. So for value in mydict.values, by printing the value we can get all values in the dictionary, that is Alice 25 and newer. We can loop through both keys and values. Here we have to write the for loop for key comma value in dictionary.items. Items is nothing but key and value togetherly called as a item. So we will get the output like this. How do you merge two dictionaries? We can merge two dictionaries in several ways. We can use update or this operator or unpacking. Using update, we have dict1 and dict2. We have to write the code as dict1 dot update of dict2. Then we will get this output. Using this operator, we can also merge a dictionary. So we have two dictionaries again here, dict1 and dict2. We are assigning the new dictionary, merged dictionary to the merged dict, that is dict1, dict2. Pipe operator this is. By printing we will get this output. Next we are using unpacking. Here we have two dictionaries, dict1 and dict2. We have merged. We can merge using star dict1 comma star dict2. We will get this output. Coming to the next question, what is the difference between get and accessing with square brackets? Get of key returns the value if the key exists, otherwise returns none. No error if the key is missing. If the keys does not exist, it will never give errors. That is that if the key missing. Dict of key returns the values if the key exists, raises a key error if the key is missing. So we use get for safe access rather than square brackets when the key is guaranteed to exist. Next question, how do you remove an element from a dictionary? We can remove an element from dictionary using different. First one is pop of key. It removes the keys and returns its value, raises key error if the key is missing. Pop of item removes and returns the last inserted key value pair. Delete dict of key deletes the key but raises key error if it does not exist. Clear removes all items from the dictionary. We will use pop for safe removal, delete for direct deletion, and clear to empty the dictionary. Because pop raises the error if the key is missing. Here delete for direct deletion, and clear removes the clear empties the dictionary. Coming to the next question, what is the use of keys, values and items methods? In Python dictionaries, these methods are used for accessing different parts of the dictionary. Keys returns on a view of all keys, that is, if we execute this dict keys, we will get dict.keys, we will get all the keys in the dictionary. Values returns a view of all values. Dict.values returns all values in the dictionary. Items, as I said, keys and values are togetherly called as items when it returns the key value pairs as tuples. Dict.items will get the key value pairs as tuples in this format. Thank you. For more training updates, contact Data Engineers Academy.